Hello and welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing you a big wallet. It is a big influencer Twitter wallet, big Twitter influencer wallet, which is that person is trading meme coins, many meme coins, and he made millions and millions of dollars, which we can't even imagine. The most famous book of meme, boom, he made almost $2 million from book of memes, which gone to billions of market cap, you know that. And bonk, it is also gone to billions of the market cap. And ponky, which is very trending on Instagram, you might have seen the Instagram reels also. It is highly animated, high quality animation videos they make it. This is the meme coins. And one more meme coin category, it is cats in a dog world. Cat and dog, monkey, all the types of solana which are pumped 100x, 1000x, 10,000x. This wallet made almost 10 millions and millions of dollars. He became multi-millionaires, and this is how he does it. If you want to know how does he do it, then subscribe to my channel, press the like button of my video. I'll tell you how to pick the right one which is undervalued, which is not pumped yet, and will let you know. Let me show you something. This is the Ponky on Solana base chain, which I was talking about. This was on Instagram official handle page. It did the insane marketing. It made a high quality of animated videos in the meme category trading, meme coin trading. And as you can see that it got so much and so much of reach, so it exploded to the 100 million, 200 millions of market cap. If you knew early, at the early stage, which will go to the just like this ponky bomb bonk, if you know early, you have to be better informed than others. Informed early, buy early, and then sell at the top. You could have made also millions of dollars. Like the bomb, it also gone to the you know 1 billion of market cap, more than 1 billion. Why? Because they know where they are, they are putting their money. They know better than you. They are more informed than you. So if you want to know which one is the next, I am here showing you the surprise, a bonus for you, which is same like Ponky. It could be next Ponky. This one is Senk. As you can see, same way of marketing. This is also doing. It got so much of viral, views. It gone many and many times of viral, and I think this can do as well as like Ponky did. You see here, Senk token. No one has talked about this, and it is listed on coin market cap also. As you can see, I am going to show you this token. The name is Senk. You can search it on coin market cap. Let us see the market cap. Current market cap is 866k dollar. If it 10x, the market cap will be 8.6 million dollars. And if it did 100x, the market cap will be 86 million dollars. I think it can do minimum of 100x from the current position, because they are super active on their social media, Instagram reels, and it is doing the marketing on the YouTube platform also. Let me show you on the YouTube. Just see this. This is the YouTube channel of Senk token. They are promoting on YouTube also. If it ever gets any 1 million, 10 million, of views, the market cap will surely hit the 100 millions of dollars, at least 10 million. Your 1000 will be turned around 10,000. If it 10x, if it 100x, it will be $100,000. What do you think of these meme tokens? Do you want some more hidden gems? Let me know in the comment section. I will make a next video which will go minimum of 10x. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel. Take care. See you in the next video.